Hi, Chef Tyler. But you're not Tyler. So where's your apron? She saw me put on my apron and she wants Tyler's apron because she don't have an apron. Mama, don't buy her apron as yet. I need to buy her one. I keep saying that, but I haven't done it. It's cooking time. Hi, Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm in my Christmas mood because today I'm having my Jamaican Christmas dinner with a few friends and family. So it's 9:35 and your girl is up and in the kitchen and getting the ball rolling early, girl. So today's menu, as usual, my usual Christmas menu, we are having, let's see, rice and peas, mac and cheese, potato salad, veggies, a little festival hopefully, jerk chicken, whole baked chicken, ham, ackee and saltfish. I'm missing something. And oh, curry goat. And of course we have the good sorrel, and of course we have the good cake. So yeah.
Now we have Papi.
We don't have no Papi. Sarah said good morning to the face. She said wagwan. So I have my peas blending and I have saltfish cooking, so that saltfish smell can come out the house by the end of the day. And then I'm gonna do the curry goat right after. I'm going to start prepping the potato salad. I want to finish cooking by at least 4 o'clock. Tyler's still not feeling 100, but he's there. Yeah, so oh my gosh, go your ways. she don't want to go. So Tashika and her family is coming over. My professor from my French course is coming. I met a Brazilian girl at school. She and her family is coming. And that's going to be everybody. So we're having 8 adults in total. And 4 kids. 5 kids. Because I have to call the baby. So yeah. Let's get this day going, shall we? And if you guys are wondering, why am I doing Christmas dinner already? If you guys are new to my channel, I always do my Christmas dinner in advance because I always leave for the holiday to go to my in-laws to spend Christmas there. So to feel a bit of home, I always do this, and it's always a joy to have this moment with my family. I really feel at home every year when I do this. If I don't do this each year, it really doesn't feel like Christmas for me. I have to do my Jamaican Christmas. So, let go. Ready to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. I tell everybody to put on their, not everybody, I tell Tyler to put on his Christmas pajama this morning, but he didn't hear me, so he put on a different pajama. That's why you see Sarah and I in the same pajama. Ready to cook?
Yeah.
What you gonna cook?
You help Mama Sarah.
You're gonna help Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. You wanna do the carrot?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
At least I got a little help. You guys know when I'm doing my business, I don't like to get help in the kitchen. When I'm in the kitchen, I like to be in the kitchen alone. I don't like to have people helping me when I'm doing my menu. So for example, if my friends are over, you're not allowed to be in my kitchen at all. I run my kitchen. I like to cook my way. Everybody cook different, and I like to cook my way. on the dot, and let me show you guys where I am right now. I'm almost finished with everything. So here's the progress that we made. So I have macaroni and cheese here. I did some without all that fandangles for the kids that already ate some out of it. So I have macaroni and cheese, I have potato salad. This is gonna go back in the fridge right now. I have the jerk chicken here, the ham is here, the whole chicken is here under this one. I won't take it out to show you guys right now. Sauce for the jerk chicken is finishing up, and I have ackee and saltfish, and I have rice and peas over there. That's sauce for the big chicken, and that's sauce for the ham in here. So things are actually looking up right now. So I have two things left to do. I have the festival, and I have the veggies to do. Oh, and the curry goat. The curry goat is here. So your girl is on a roll. Things are looking up, but I am going to set up my space, and then I'm going to cook, catch a shower, so I can relax, and then I'll come back and do the veggie and the festival mix. The festival last. So that's where I am right now. I'm on time. I'm on target. All right, you guys, table is all done and ready and waiting. This is a little settings for everybody. We are expecting 8 adults. So there it goes. Ah, who is this? Who is this? Wow, you's up witty, girl. Wow, look at you. Show off the pretty dress.
I jump.
You jump, no jumping on the couch. Get down. Get down. Jump down there, not on the couch. You're pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're jumping with Elmo. Alright, you guys, so that's the adults table right there, and this the kids section right here. So I'm ready, and boom, I'm also ready. Anyway, so I'm done cooking. I have 2 things left to do. The festival, which I'm gonna do in the moment when everybody's slowly arriving, and then I have the veggies to do, which I'm gonna do right now, and then I'm done. I'm bouncing my Christmas sweater, my hair up in one, and we're ready. He's not feeling well. Why? Oh, girl, I have to show them this. You guys, look at this girl.
Hi, Sam.
Look how she's sexy. No, sir, you have one too much an idea. Hey!
Não, Deus.
Nossa.
Ça bon.
Ah, même? T'as suffisamment confiance en moi.
Mais j'ai. Ouais, mais il y a 3 enfants dedans.
Ah, c'est pas grave, j'ai déjà conduit avec Anela. Raison. Dis bonjour. Dis bonjour.
Mais après,
Merci, bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit. You want something yummy? No, you want ham? Look, I'm gonna have ham here first. Yeah. T'as déjà goûté le sorgho?
Ouais, mais pour les enfants.
All good things must come to an end, and this is where I'm closing out tonight. I had the best time with my friends and family, and I must say it was another successful Christmas dinner. My professor was here, my friend from school was here with her family, and Tashika was here with her family, and of course my family. Had the best time. We chit chat, we laughed, we ate our stomach full of everything. Everybody tastes every single thing on that table, and I have so much food left over. I packed my friend Danielle food that couldn't get to be here because she has to work tonight, so Danny will come and pick up her food one day in this week. So this is me signing out, telling you guys thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy another year of Christmas dinner vlog. If you do, which I'm sure you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. I have a mess in this kitchen to go and clean up, so I'm gonna do as much as I can tonight, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. See you guys.